Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic American sports cars ever created, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This is a car that doesn't just represent speed and performance, but also decades of heritage, innovation, and bold design choices. The 2026 model continues to refine the mid-engine formula that shocked the automotive world a few years ago. And now Chevrolet has taken everything people loved about the Stingray and sharpened it even further. Whether you're a longtime Corvette fan or someone who dreams of owning a true supercar without paying supercar money, this review is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the 2026 Corvette Stingray in full detail. Asterisk, the moment you see the 2026 Corvette Stingray from the front, it's clear that this car means business. The nose sits extremely low to the ground, giving it that aggressive road-hugging stance that immediately grabs attention. The sharp, angular LED headlights are slimmer and more refined than before, giving the front end a more modern and menacing expression. The large front air intakes are not just for show. They play a critical role in cooling the engine and improving aerodynamic efficiency. Chevrolet has carefully sculpted the hood with subtle lines that guide airflow smoothly over the car, and the Corvette badge proudly sits at the center, reminding everyone exactly what kind of performance machine this is. From every angle at the front, the Stingray looks planted, confident, and ready to launch forward at any moment. Asterisk, moving along the side profile, the 2026 Corvette Stingray truly reveals its mid-engine proportions. The short front overhang and longer rear section give the car a supercar-like silhouette that feels exotic and expensive. The sculpted doors and deep character lines channel air toward the massive side intakes, which feed the V8 engine sitting just behind the cabin. These side air intakes are beautifully integrated into the design, blending function with style in a way that feels natural rather than forced. The low roofline, wide rear haunches, and optional large alloy wheels fill out the arches perfectly, giving the car a muscular yet elegant stance. Whether it's parked or in motion, the side view of the Stingray screams speed, balance, and precision. Asterisk at the back. The 2026 Corvette Stingray finishes strong with a design that's both aggressive and unmistakably Corvette. The quad exhaust tips sit proudly at the center, producing that deep, throaty V8 sound that enthusiasts crave. The angular LED taillights are sharp and modern, echoing the design language of the front while adding a futuristic touch. A functional rear diffuser helps manage airflow underneath the car, improving stability at high speeds, depending on the trim and options. You can also get a subtle rear spoiler that adds downforce without ruining the clean lines of the car. The rear end looks wide, planted, and incredibly confident, making it clear that this Stingray is just as impressive when driving away as it is when approaching. Asterisk, stepping inside the 2026 Corvette Stingray, you're greeted by a cockpit that feels driver-focused, modern, and surprisingly luxurious. Chevrolet has continued to refine the interior with better materials, improved fit and finish, and a layout that puts everything exactly where the driver wants it. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, allowing you to prioritize performance data, navigation, or driving information based on your mood. The central touchscreen is angled toward the driver, making it easy to access infotainment features, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings without distraction. The iconic row of climate control buttons running along the center console still divides the cabin, creating a clear separation between driver and passenger and giving the interior a unique fighter jet-like feel. Asterisk, the seats are supportive and comfortable, designed to hold you firmly in place during aggressive driving while still being pleasant for longer journeys. Depending on the trim level, you'll find premium leather, contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents, and even optional performance seats for track-focused drivers. Visibility is surprisingly good for a low sports car, and the overall cabin feels snug but not cramped. Chevrolet has also worked on improving storage and practicality, with small compartments and a front trunk that can actually handle daily errands. This is a supercar-level interior that still remembers it needs to be livable. Asterisk when it comes to performance. The 2026 Corvette Stingray continues to deliver the kind of thrills that have made the Corvette name legendary. Under the hood, or more. Accurately behind the seats sits a naturally aspirated V8 engine that produces exhilarating power and an unforgettable soundtrack. Paired with a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Stingray launches off the line with brutal acceleration, pushing you back into your seat as the revs climb. The mid-engine layout provides incredible balance, allowing the car to corner with precision and confidence that rivals far more expensive supercars. Asterisk, the steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver a strong connection to the road, while the suspension setup strikes a smart balance between comfort and performance. In everyday driving modes, the car feels composed and surprisingly comfortable. But switch into sport or track mode, and the Stingray transforms into a razor-sharp performance machine. Braking performance is equally impressive, with strong, consistent stopping power that inspires confidence, whether you're carving through mountain roads or pushing hard on a racetrack. This is a car that feels just as thrilling on a weekend drive as it does during serious performance driving. Asterisk, in terms of pricing, the 2026 Corvette Stingray continues to be one of the best performance bargains on the market. While prices vary, depending on trim level and optional packages, the Stingray remains significantly more affordable than many European rivals offering similar performance. Even when fully loaded, it undercuts many supercars while delivering comparable acceleration, handling, and overall excitement. This makes the Corvette Stingray an incredibly attractive option for enthusiasts who want world-class performance without stepping into ultra-luxury price territory. Asterisk. As for suggestions, the 2026 Corvette Stingray is perfect for drivers who want a true sports car experience with everyday usability. If you're someone who values raw engine sound, precise handling, and bold design, this car should be high on your list. It's ideal for weekend drives, track days, and even daily use if you're willing to live with a low ride height. However, if you prioritize rear seats or maximum cargo space, this may not be the most practical choice. Choosing the right trim and options is important. So think carefully about whether you want a comfort-focused setup or a more track-oriented configuration. Asterisk, to wrap things up, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray proves once again why the Corvette name carries so much weight. In the automotive world, it blends jaw-dropping performance, stunning design, and impressive technology into a package that remains accessible compared to its rivals. This is not just a sports car, it's a statement, a symbol of how far American engineering has come. If you've ever dreamed of owning a car that looks like a supercar, sounds like a beast, and delivers unforgettable driving excitement, the 2026 Corvette Stingray deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.